Hey guys, if you like what you see, keep on watching because I'm about to show you how I created this set. The first thing I do is file off the free edge and buff the shine off of the nails. Next, I'm applying the first coat of gel polish that I'm using, and I'm going to do that with all 10 nails. I'll leave the supplies I'm using in the description below. But the polish I'm using right now is Lechat Perfect Match. The color is called Paradise. Since I'm doing an ombre effect, I'm only putting it on the tips. Once I do that, I take my ombre brush and I'm just blending it out. The brush I'm using is a Lechat ombre brush. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend this out with all 5 nails, and then once I do that, I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds. After I cure it for 60 seconds, I then went ahead and applied a second coat of Paradise. Again, just on the tips. Try and make sure that you get the free edge and the sidewalls of your nails. Whenever I was a nail tech, clients would come in and constantly check that the whole nail was covered. So that's important. So now I'm just applying the cover gel, which is, you know, what's supposed to look like the nail bed. I'm applying that, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the ombre brush. Sorry. And I'm just going to blend it out. I'm going to blend them together as best I can. And then once I do that with all 5 nails, go ahead and cure it for 60 seconds again. Now that I cured it for another 60 seconds, I'm not going to apply another coat of Paradise because I already did 2 coats. Now I'm just going to apply one more coat of the cover gel. And again, I'll be leaving all of the products in my description. So again, I'm just going to blend this out, blend it out into the pink, and then cure it for 60 seconds. And make sure you're getting the sides, because sometimes whenever you use an ombre brush, it's easy to like miss the sides. And then it looks bad, and you don't want that. And then cure it for 60 seconds. Here I'm applying my no wipe gel top coat. Apply on all 5 nails. And then once I do that, I like to actually turn the nails around. Just to make sure that there's no gel polish that accumulated towards the free edge, because it can create like an odd shape and mess up the shape of the nail. Make sure there's no bubbles or anything like that. Cure it for 60 seconds. Now I'm doing the nail art with my striper brush. I'm using, oh, I forget what the color is, but like I said, I'll leave it in the description below. I'm just creating lines. I want some thick lines. I want some thin lines. Don't cure it right away. Once you get the placement of the lines that you like, you're going to use the glitter. So grab something to put under so it can catch all the glitter. Then you're just going to sprinkle it on top. Shake off the excess glitter, and then you're going to cure it for 60 seconds. Once it's done curing, you can use the brush, dust off all the excess, and then just do the same thing with all 5 nails.
Just ride with it. The moment I stop having fun with it, I'll be done with it. I'm the only one that's putting shots up, and like a potluck, you need to come with it. Don't run from it. H-Town in the summertime, I keep it 100. A lot of girls in my times there. Word of Paul Wall, not one fronted. Birthday in my first year, man, I know that place like I come from it. Backstage at Warehouse in 09, like it's fun coming. Dead is anyone coming before I show up there and there's no one there. These days I could probably pack it for like 20 nights if I go in there. Back rub for my main thing, I've been stressed out. Talking to her like back then, they didn't want me, I'm blessed out. Talking to her like this, dropping a million copies get pressed out. She tell me take a deep breath.
So now that all 5 nails are complete and it's been cured for 60 seconds, there is some rough edges from the glitter. I just went in with my file, cleaned up the edges a little bit, used an alcohol wipe just to get off any excess glitter. And that's pretty much it. That's the final product, you guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.